Of course, let's explore the next video content idea: Pi network staking and earning passive income with detailed explanations and examples. Hello again, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Staro Technology. Today, we're delving into the world of Pi network staking and how it can help you earn passive income. Whether you're new to Pi or looking to understand this exciting opportunity, this video is your guide. Why staking matters. Before we dive into staking, let's grasp why it's important. Think of staking as a way to make your Pi work for you even when you're not actively mining. It's like planting a money tree. You invest your Pi, and it grows over time, earning you more Pi. What is staking? Staking, in simple terms, means locking up your Pi coins in the Pi network ecosystem. By doing this, you are helping secure the network, and in return, you receive additional Pi coins as rewards. It's like receiving interest on your savings account, but instead of a bank, you are using your Pi to generate more Pi. Imagine you have 100 Pi coins, and you decide to stake them. Over time, you learn more Pi as a reward for supporting the network. It's like receiving extra coins in your wallet without actively mining. Staking levels. Pi network offers different staking levels, such as Pioneer and Contributor. Each level has its requirements and rewards. It's like climbing a ladder in a game. The higher you go, the greater the rewards and responsibilities. As a Pioneer, you might need to participate in discussions and contribute to network decisions to maintain your staking status. It's like completing quests and challenges in a game to level up and gain more benefits. Earning passive income. Staking Pi coins can lead to passive income, money you earn without actively working for it. Your staked Pi generates more Pi over time, increasing your total Pi balance. It's like having a source of income that flows into your account without your direct involvement. Imagine you stake 1,000 Pi coins, and over time, you receive an additional 100 Pi as rewards. It's like having a Pi tree that grows and produces extra Pi fruits for you to harvest. Community benefits. Staking not only benefits you but also strengthens the Pi network community. By participating in staking, you contribute to network security and stability. It's like being a guardian of a shared virtual world where everyone benefits from a secure environment. When you stake your Pi, you are helping to maintain the integrity of the Pi network, making it a safer and more valuable space for all users. In summary, staking in Pi network is a way to make your Pi work for you, earning you passive income while contributing to network security. It's like planting seeds of wealth that grow over time. Whether you're a Pioneer or Contributor, staking offers a path to a more robust Pi portfolio. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into cryptocurrency and Pi network. If you have questions about Pi network staking or any other topics you'd like us to explore, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to advertise with us, feel free to leave a text message on WhatsApp number provided in this video's description. We reply as soon as possible. Thanks for joining us today, and may your Pi staking journey be fruitful and rewarding.